Hi, good morning my friends. In this video we're going to be doing a review on unboxing of a product that I think everybody should have. Whether you off-road or not, I think for safety reason, everyone should have a portable jump starter. So a company called JF.EGWO decided to send us one of their portable jump starters. So in today's video we're going to be doing a review on it and we're going to test it on the JIMNY. The first thing to note about this jump starter is that it comes in a durable hard shell carry case. This means you can toss it anywhere in your vehicle without worrying about damage. Inside the case you'll find the jump starter itself. I should mention that the company also offers models with a built-in air compressor for tire inflation. However, I opted out of that option since I already have an onboard air compressor. Included in the case are a USB-C power brick for charging, a USB-C cable, heavy-duty alligator clamps for battery connection, and a DC to cigarette lighter adapter for added versatility. You can find a link to this jump starter in the video description or visit JF.EGWO.com for more details. Now let's talk about features. This jump starter boasts a super fast charge time and an impressive 24-month standby time. On one side, you'll find the input and output ports, while the other side houses an LED light and the ultra-safe reverse polarity protection connector for the alligator clamps. The front of the unit features a 3.7-inch HD LED display which provides all the essential operational information at a glance. For added functionality, the 600 lumen LED light offers 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, and SOS. It also doubles as a 65-watt power bank, allowing you to charge a wide range of devices. Built to withstand tough conditions, this jump starter is 1.5 meter drop proof, IP65 waterproof, and dust proof, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. So in order to test the jump starter, we need to test it on a battery that's actually incapable of starting the vehicle. Right now, I have my daily battery on this vehicle, which is a perfectly good battery. It reads 12.74 volts. So in order to test the jump starter, we're gonna have to get another battery. So a few months later, and many batteries, I finally was able to acquire a battery that is compatible with the JIMNY. Ahmad was changing out his dead battery and I asked him for it so I could test the jump starter on this. So let's throw this on in the JIMNY and see if the jump starter works. So I just connect the old battery. Before we started, let's check the voltage on it. We have 7.68, so let's start it and see if it'll start. So it's actually not starting at all, not even getting a tumble. Let me show you what's going on. So it's not starting at all and even getting a tumble or anything. You can see there the 4-wheel light is just flashing, everything is lit on the dashboard, and our voltmeter is reading 5.24 volts there. So definitely not able to start the vehicle. So the battery unable to start the vehicle, so we're going to connect the jump starter and see if it'll work. So in order to use the jump starter, we have the cables and the jump starter. You just want to connect the cables to the jump starter. Take your alligator clips and connect it to the battery terminal. Turn on the jump starter. So it reads 100%. It says 12 volts ready, so we're just going to start now. And after jump starting, we lost 1%. So we're still on 99% power. So that's the performance of the jump starter. I was really surprised by it because it took me about 20 seconds to get the vehicle back up and running. And after jump starting, it only dropped by 1%. So it was 100% when we start, and right now it's 99%. Which means I could jump start my vehicle a lot of times before I need to recharge this. So JF.EGWO.com, check it out, pick yourself up one of these, pick it up for a friend, it's a great gift, and you can get the version with the compressor or without the compressor. So JF.EGWO.com, check it out. So that's it for this video. If you enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.